If you're wondering how it feels like to be in Subic kapag December season, ito yung sample video na kailangan mo makita. This is Le Charm Sweets in Subic. They have a very good food at napaka-cozy ng place and peaceful. Automatic na nagbubukas yung CR nila. At tuwan-tuwa ako nung nakita ko yun. Of course, they have a robe. Meron silang coffee and tea. A working desk para ilagay yung mga gamit mo. The perfect bed para sa iyo at sa family mo. May decoration na painting and sofa. And kung gusto mo makita ang kanilang lounge, this is their very welcoming lounge area. Kaya kung nag-hesitate ka pa pumunta sa Subic kapag December, huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Maganda yung klima doon at napaka-peaceful ng lugar. Nag-try din pala kami ng dinner sa yacht dito sa Subic. And if you wanted to get a more detailed video, check my latest post. Thank you!